Odin is a patent-free research network for industry and researchers at Aarhus University. We aim to accelerate drug discovery through open innovation in science. The network is sponsored by the Novo Nordisk Foundation. A human stem cell-based miniaturized controlled organoid platform for investigating neurological disorder is one of our first funded projects.
So for neurological disorders, many of the drugs that are developed in animal models fail when they move to clinical trials. And our lab is a human stem cell lab that develops these mini brains or organoids. And we can grow these in the lab for several months to a mature state. And then at this mature state, we can then test a range of different drugs on them to more accurately identify those that then might be successful before they move to a clinical trial. For the Odin aspect, we're also miniaturizing these organoids to an even smaller degree to make them more reproducible between different rounds. And then using patient material, we can also reprogram these back into stem cells and then use patient-specific stem cell lines to develop organoids which represent specifically different patients with their different neurological diseases that they may have. So we're interested in the openness of the Odin model because we're eager to share this organoid culture system with many labs, and by doing that they can test their drugs on it at these earlier stages and give us feedback as to what modifications we might need to implement into the organoid culture system to develop it further and further, to be more representative of across broad neurological disorders.
We here at Novo Nordisk are incredibly proud to be a part of the Open Discovery and Innovation Network. This project in particular relates to regenerative medicine, and this is a very new and emerging field, and we believe it's incredibly important to contribute to this in a collaborative and egalitarian way to ensure the entire field succeeds and flourishes together. And we believe this micro-organoid project will allow us to study and probe in greater detail our emerging stem cell therapies as well as our traditional pharmacological compounds at a greater detail, but also to enable us to study it in a human in vitro model and reduce ultimately the amount of time, costs, and also animals used in our research and development.
All of our projects will share their data and results openly with the public. To find out how you can access them or join the Odin network, please contact us directly or visit our website.